What's up everybody, Adam Larson here, and today we're going to talk about jazz vocabulary. If you checked out our recent videos, we spent a lot of time talking about digital patterns, which if you remember, are small units of melody that we use to improvise. Now it's time to take it to the next step. We're going to work on integrating jazz licks or jazz vocabulary over a very specific song form. And what we've used in the past is All the Things You Are. So we're going to take an idea that is very diatonic, very simple, so simple in fact that if you know the Dorian scale, you can play it and it's going to sound great. So we're going to use a method called the plug and chug method, where we're going to take the piece of information that we learn, we're going to plug it in, and we're going to chug along. Let's see what it sounds like over the form to All the Things You Are.